Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Brionne from Pokemon. We're going to move over to the right side of our page and start with the eye. So we start at the very top and draw on an oval. Now on the inside we're going to draw a slightly smaller oval. So stepping in. At the top of the inside oval, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then on the inside, we're going to draw a smaller oval for the pupil. Now let's go in and thicken up the eyelash. Starting from the outside of the oval, we're going to go up a little bit higher in the middle. And then back down on the right side. We're going to fill that in black. Now let's add 2 points on either side. On the left side, we're going to go up and in. Do the opposite on the right side. I'm going to fill those in black. Now from the eye, we're going to move over towards the right and draw in a circle for the nose. Starting from the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the left side. On the left side, at the very top of the nose, we're going to draw a short line going in towards the eye. Now from that same spot, we're going to draw on the top of the head. So it's basically a half circle. We're going to go up, above the eye, around, and then down. Now on this side, we're going to add the first antenna. From here, we're going to step in towards the eye. We're going to curve up, and then back down towards the left. We're going to step down and just overlap that with a half circle. Now we're going to draw a larger half circle in behind. Stepping over, work our way around, and then in. Now let's work in the bottom of the antenna. Stepping up, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going inwards. Step back out, curve down, and then in towards the head. Now let's draw on the right side antenna. Starting at the top of the head, we're going to go up, over towards the right. We're going to step back, draw almost like a half circle. Now we're going to draw a larger half circle at the end. Pull that into right about there. Now let's draw on the right side. Stepping over, curving around, stepping in, and then in behind the head. At the bottom of the antenna, we're going to curve the back of the neck, coming down and then over towards the left. We're going to move over towards the front and draw the front of the head coming down towards the neck. So at the bottom of the nose, come down, over towards the left. Now right here, we're just going to pull that down. Let's add a patch at the front of the nose. From this point, we're going to angle down and in towards the nose. We're going to circle around the end of the nose. We're going to come down and then back up towards the side of the head. In this area here, we're going to add the mouth. Starting underneath the eye, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. We're going to round out the end of the mouth, come down, and then up towards the right side. Let's add a small fang at the top. It's like a V. And then we'll add the edge of the tongue. From the top of the mouth, we're going to curve down towards the bottom. Now we're going to overlap the left arm. From here, we're going to step in, curve out, and then up towards the left. We're going to round out the end of the hand. Going around, pulling that in. Now we're going to taper the arm as we come in towards the head. The space gets narrower up to right about there. Let's separate out the end of the hand, starting from the bottom, curve across, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to draw 2 curves for the fingers. Starting at the very top, curve down and over. Stepping over towards the left, we'll draw that one more time. At the base of the neck, we're going to curve underneath the arm, going out towards the left and then up. Now we're going to add 3 layered ruffles along the body. So we're going to start at the very top. In behind the neck, we're going to curve over and then in behind the arm. Now we're going to draw a wave that comes around the base of the neck. Starting underneath the arm, curve in, down, and we're going to go up, down, around the base of the neck. Now we're just going to pull that up. Let's draw the second ruffle in behind. So we're going to start at the very top, curve over, in behind the arm, and we're going to step over and just follow that same wave. Curving over towards the right, left. Now we're going to pull that up, down, and then just tuck this in underneath the top ruffle. We'll add the third ruffle on the side here. Starting underneath the arm, curve out, in, out, and then we'll tuck that in along the side. Now the tail's gonna come up in behind this arm. So let's start at the bottom here. We're gonna curve out, and then we'll pull that up. Let's add those two flaps of the tail. From here we're gonna curve out, go to the top. I'm just gonna pull that down and then in. I'm gonna draw the right side of the tail. We're gonna go up, round it out, and pull that in behind the left arm. Let's separate out the end of the tail. Starting on the left, we'll curve across, go to the right side, and curve in behind the arm. Now on the top of the head, you're gonna see a little bit of the right arm up here. So starting beside the antenna, we're gonna curve up, and then curve that down in behind the nose. Let's separate out the fingers, curving in, step over towards the right, and do that one more time. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Brionne from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.